How you doing? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston, and today we're on our 2017 Boston Whaler 370 Outrage fresh trade. This boat's equipped with triple 350 Verados, just under 700 hours. This boat has had all the interior replaced with diamond stitching interior, very nice. It has a Fisher Panda diesel generator, optional Kenyan grill here, plenty of tackle storage underneath, freshwater sink. This does have the power sunshade. It has the optional port and starboard refrigerator drawers, port side dive door, fish boxes, both port and starboard, of course, with macerators, optional cockpit table. This boat has been very well maintained. This boat has your 3 rows of seating at the helm. It has the Raymarine G Series electronics package with FLIR night vision. The boat, of course, has your JPO joystick. The owner also added a bow thruster, so the boat has joystick as well as a bow thruster. As we come down into the cabin, this boat here will sleep 2 comfortably. It does have a flat screen TV, another small refrigerator, plenty of storage. There is a vacuum flush toilet. There is a hot and cold shower with your curtain here, another sink, and you do have another microwave underneath here. Of course, all temperature controlled down in the cabin. As we come forward, really nice layout. Again, you'll notice all the new cushions with the diamond stitching. You do have storage underneath here for your rods. High-low table. There is a filler cushion for this table, so you can make a bed forward here. And of course, storage underneath those cushions, as well as another fish box in the floor here with a macerator. Again, this is our 2017 370 Outrage trade. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com. Thanks again.